How to remove email address from Snapchat account. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Then navigate to the profile page. Once you're over here, click on the settings icon given at the top right. Once you're on this page, navigate to the option email. Click on it. Now from here you are able to remove your email address. Clear out your email address and click on continue. You will get this kind of pop-up. The submitted email address is an invalid format. At the moment, you are unable to remove email address from your Snapchat. Instead, what you can do is reset your email address. You are able to remove the old email address and link new one. At the moment within Snapchat, there is no such feature to remove the email address. If in the future Snapchat comes up with this feature, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.